This is the first step in taking a standard set of Flowtech big block headers, 72 Chevy C10, that have been dragging on the ground and getting all busted up. I'm going to shorten these so they fit up inside the frame. I think I figured out how to do it, even with my bad knee. First step, cutting everything off. We're also putting a March serpentine pulley kit, old air. We got classic performance power brakes. We got a new chrome steering column. I don't know who made that. We got aluminum radiator and dual electric fan coming. And we got already some really funky stepped control arms, if you can see that. I'm going to leave them in and see what happens. So we're putting in some classic performance springs, drop spindles, big brake kit in the rear. Here's the tubes that I cut them off. Cut them off the collector. Cut them off the flange. Left myself a couple inches of stubs. And we're going to start with number 2 here. And just take 2 or 3 inches out, tack it up, and stick it back in. And see where that makes the collector line up. And from there we'll see if we have to do anything else. I'm probably going to put the piece I cut out right down here to move the collector along, because otherwise I think I might have trouble with number 8, because the collector is going to end up moving this way and this pipe's not going to go back in. So if this works, I think it will save some people a lot of trouble. Alright, that's all the scrap left over from doing the passenger side. Obviously I got a little ahead of myself, and I spent so much time figuring out exactly what I was doing that I did not document it very well. But this is where I'm at now. I'm putting it back together. It actually was easier than I expected. I'll take more time to document it when I do the other side, exactly what the process is. But as you can see, I took 4 inches out of number 8 and put it back together, and then stuck it on and used that to locate my collector and see where it worked, and that worked out fine. So from there I went ahead and built out. So instead of starting with the bottom longest one, I started with the shortest one on top, because the way this frame is built, you can't work from the top. You have to work from the bottom, which means if you put the bottom pipe in first, you cannot reach the top ones to tack them in. So I did the 2 top ones, bottom ones went in next, tacked them in, checked the fit, cut it apart, welding it back up. That's where we're at. There's a picture of the shop. And shop dog, Elvis. Good boy. Handsome. And 72 Chevy. Now that's how fast it tacks up, pretty quick. Small support, clamp it to the table. Little Sharpie lines to make sure it doesn't move. If it moves I can tell. Small support to hold the bottom, I guess number 4 tube and the collector. And once that's all lined up, everything just goes right in.